Kangaroo Kids. We love to learn. G is for girl. The girl is smiling. The girl is watering the plants. The girl is closing her eyes. The girl has a ball. One girl. Two girls. Three girls. Four girls. Five girls. G is for giraffe. The giraffe is eating. The giraffe is kissing the baby. The giraffe is big. The giraffe is sleeping. One giraffe. Two giraffes. Three giraffes. For giraffes. Five giraffes. G is for girl. G is for giraffe. Thanks for watching. Kangaroo Kids, we love to learn.